Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have BoxyCharm for January. Do you want to see what is inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so I just received January's BoxyCharm. It's kind of weird because I still don't even have tracking number on my account. My very first box, which would have been November, coming back to BoxyCharm, I now have a tracking number in my account, but December, I don't have a tracking. January, I don't have a tracking. And I don't know how we're supposed to pick a product. If you guys know, are they supposed to email you, or do you have to log into your account on a specific time? Because the last 2 months, I have not even been able to choose a product. So I'm a little confused on that one, but this showed up today. My FedEx driver brought it today on a Saturday. FedEx on a Saturday. I was like, why are you here today? He's like, I have so many of these boxes. I don't know what in the world that is, but I have a lot of them to deliver today. I'm like, it's makeup. He's like, oh, figures. What do you mean figures? So this is January's box, and last month was so good, and the month before I was so glad. This is my 3rd month. I did a 3-month subscription, so now they're going to be renewing me for another 3 months. So let's see what's inside. And this is BoxyCharm. The card is right on top. That's really pretty. Breaking the ice. I like those colors. How pretty. Okay, so then when you open it up, that's what it looks like inside. Now, I know in my first box, they gave me like this little trial, and I didn't find out until after that I was supposed to actually use that to match up my skin tone to put in my profile, because they were gonna start sending like concealers and stuff. So this is the first time that I've received a concealer out of this box, and this is by Pretty Vulgar, and the color is Undercover. Undercover Little White Lies. So there's that. And this is valued at $25. And this is Under Eye Concealer. Is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E to keep the skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and to improve the skin's appearance. So there's the little doe foot. So it's angled, I guess, to go directly underneath your eyes. And this looks like that is definitely my color. So I must have chose the right color when I did the little swatch test, because that actually, you can't even see from there. There we go. There's that. So I can't wait to try that out. Even though I normally don't use concealer, I just know a lot of people definitely use it underneath their eyes. So I'm definitely gonna try this out now that I have one that's like the perfect color. So I'm actually excited to try that out, and that's $25, and that's the cost of this entire box. So the next item is from Manicadar. This goes around in subscription boxes quite a lot, and this is Lip Whip in Hope. So this guy here says Manicadar Lip Whip, a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips, valued at $21. So it kind of looks like a pretty color. I don't think I've kept anything from Manicadar. I don't remember. I get so many products. But let's see, how does this work? So you have this little tiny doe foot applicator right there. And ooh, this is a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. It's kind of pretty. So there's that. Let's see what it looks like on. Ooh, I actually really like the applicator because it does kind of point out, and I was able to use that kind of for like a liner, and then I filled in the inside. So I actually like this little applicator here. And it definitely dried down really quick. So there's that. What do you guys think? There's the color. So again, this is in the color Hope. I think it's really pretty. So the next product is right here. This is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. And it says, apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin, allow to absorb into the skin, no need to wash off. This looks so familiar that I'm not sure if I have this exact brand in like a different product or if this exact product is what I have. So I'm gonna double check my arsenal and see, and if I do have this, then I'll set this aside for one of you guys in a future giveaway. But if I don't have it, then I will definitely start using it. It says Shea Butter, Rice, Bran, Age Radiance. And this right here, this is the Avant Skincare. This is $107. Good gracious, $107? Maybe I don't have this then, because holy moly. I know I have something by this brand, but $107? That is insane. For this little, and it's not even filled all the way to the top. It's literally filled to right here. $107? Holy shit. Oh. All right. So this right here is Truffle Therapy Skin & Co. Aroma Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gamage? I don't know what that is. But this guy right here is $28. So this is a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Whichever is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. So, alrighty then. Now, if this has like the exfoliating things in it, then I'm probably just gonna set this aside for one of you guys to try out, because I just don't like those on my face, especially near my hairline. I've always been like that. I've never wanted any like scrubs or anything like on my face because I hate it getting in my hairline. So it's just my own, it's my own pet peeve. So I'm just gonna leave it. Is sealed. The whole bottom is sealed. So I'm just gonna leave it sealed and just put it in a future giveaway. And the last item in here is a eyeshadow palette. This is by Ace Beauty. I only have one other palette by Ace Beauty that came in a BoxyCharm, and I don't really care for it that much. So I don't know. Let me see what this is going to look like. This right here though says it's valued at $34.99. And it features 12 colors that resembles a beautiful sunrise. So here's the actual packaging. I like the packaging on how it looks. Kind of reminds me of like a peacock feather. And I'm not going to remove the plastic. I'm going to leave this on there. This, to be quite honest, looks like so many palettes that I have right now that I'm definitely not going to touch or swatch this one. I'll just set this in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy, because I have way too many palettes of this color and I don't need any more. So I will go ahead and put the total of my box value right down here. My version is number 12, and you guys always ask like what the weight is, and I actually tore my whole label off, so I'm not quite sure. And I didn't get a shipping confirmation, so I can't check the tracking to see how much it weighs. So unfortunately, I can't tell you the weight of my box, but I did get version number 12. And going over a recap again, we got this eyeshadow palette. We have a face exfoliating $107 night mask. Like, holy moly, I better wake up in the morning and look like I'm 15 years old again using that. We have the Pretty Vulgar concealer, and then we have the Manicadar lip product. But I'm actually really excited about this, and I'm excited to try this. I'm just a little disappointed in the palette that they chose this month, but it's just because I have so many of them that already look like that. But I mean, that's not their fault. That's just my fault for having too much products. But it's okay, because then I can pass it down to one of you guys to enjoy, and it's a win-win for me. So there's that. And BoxyCharm, if you do not know, it's $25 per month with free shipping. And again, my very first item that I pulled out was $25, so everything else was pretty much a bonus, especially $107. Holy moly, you're expensive. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Comment down below, let me know, do you get BoxyCharm? Did you get the same variation? Did you get different items? Do you want to get BoxyCharm? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.